We'll start with chapter number 5, ocean currents. Okay. Good morning, all of you all. Okay. Now let us see what are there in the ocean currents. First, we are going to see the formation of the ocean currents. Ocean currents are formed due to the difference in the temperature and density of seawater and the planetary winds. Now, children, about this, we have already studied what is planetary winds. Ocean currents are formed due to the difference in the temperature. Because of that temperature difference, that is also we have seen on the earth, and the density of the sea water, means the level of the sea water, and the planetary winds. Now the winds that flows towards the continent, that are called the planetary winds. Okay, now we'll move on to next one, that is directions. The ocean currents flows in clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and in anti-clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, it flows in an clockwise, and in southern hemisphere, it flows anti-clockwise. Okay. Element of coastal lines also change the direction of the ocean currents. What is element? Position. Okay, the position of the coastline also changes the direction of the ocean currents. Earth keeps on rotating, right? And it rotates from west to east. So we cannot say which ocean is going to come or which coastal line is going to face first. So because first to the sun, which ocean is going to face, okay, because of the rotation of the earth. So this is the element of the coastal line also changes the direction, and because of this changing of the direction of the ocean current is gets the direction. Next is velocity. The velocity of ocean current is around 2 kilometer to 10 kilometer per hour. What is the speed? Okay, what is the speed of the ocean current is around 2 kilometers to 10 kilometer per hour. Per hour की ये speed है उसकी 2 kilometers to 10 kilometer per hour. Okay, then we are going to see the types. Cold ocean currents and warm ocean currents are the two main types of ocean currents. Cold, with the name itself, you will come to know cold ocean currents, warm ocean currents are the two main ocean currents. Now we're going to see in the details about the types. Types of the basic of the depth, children, you know, on the basis of the depth, the ocean currents can also be divided into two. Depth means gehrai, iska ocean ka. The ocean currents can also be divided into two. First is surface ocean current. Surface means upar wala layer, and deep ocean currents. Deep ocean means again inside the ocean. That is deep ocean current that we have studied in the previous chapter, right? About deep ocean. So next is the effects of cold and warm ocean currents. What are the effects of these two ocean currents? What are the two ocean currents? Cold ocean and the warm ocean currents. So we are going to see what is the effects, what they are going to affect to us, what they are going to give an effect to our life on earth or to the earth. Okay, cold ocean currents flow from polar region to the equatorial region. Now cold region, ये कहाँ cold ocean currents कहाँ से कहाँ flow करते हैं? From polar region to the equatorial region. ये ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ आ रही है. Okay. Warm ocean currents flow from equator region to towards the pole region. Now वार्म ओशन करंट्स क्या हो रही है, फ्रॉम इक्वेटर्स से पोल्स की तरफ जा रही है, तो ये सेंटर से दोनों तरफ डिवाइड हो रही है अगेन, ओके। देयरफॉर ocean currents leads to redistribution of water on the earth from the poles to the equator and from the equator to the poles. Therefore ये ocean currents क्या हो रहे हैं, लीड्स टू रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, मीन्स इनका वापस से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होता है टूवर्ड्स द वाटर ऑन द अर्थ, जो भी वाटर ऑन द अर्थ है वो वापस से पोल्स की तरफ जाते हैं, वापस इक्वेटर की तरफ से जाते हैं, एंड अगेन इक्वेटर की तरफ से वापस पोल की तरफ जाते हैं। सो दिस इज कीप ऑन गोइंग, these currents are keeps on moving.